In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Cyberghost VPN app if it's not working. If you've been facing any issues with the app, don't worry. I'm here to help you troubleshoot and get everything up and running smoothly in just a few minutes. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open the Cyberghost app on your device. It's important that you make sure you're running the latest version of the app, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. If you haven't updated it in a while, consider doing that before we proceed. Once you have the app open, what we are going to do is navigate to the Settings menu. Typically, you'll find the Settings icon on the main screen. It's usually represented by a little gear or cogwheel icon. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the Settings menu, we need to adjust the VPN protocol. But wait, you might be wondering what a VPN protocol is. Simply put, VPN protocols are the methods by which your data is transmitted over the internet. Different protocols can affect the app's performance based on your location, network type, or even your internet service provider. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled VPN Protocol. It may be a drop-down menu or a separate tab, but it should be easy to spot. Here, you'll see various protocol options, such as OpenVPN, WireGuard, or IKEv2. Each of these protocols has its own strengths, so if one isn't working, another might just do the trick. If you're uncertain which one to choose, OpenVPN is often a reliable starting point for many users due to its balance of speed and security. However, WireGuard is gaining popularity for offering enhanced speed. So, click on VPN Protocol and make the change by selecting a different protocol from the list available. After you've changed the protocol, it's a good idea to exit the app completely and restart it. This step ensures that the changes you made are properly applied. Once you've restarted the app, try connecting to the VPN again. If everything's gone well, you should see a successful connection message. However, if you're still experiencing issues, revisit the settings and try a different protocol. Don't be discouraged if it takes a couple of tries to find the best one for your needs. And there you have it. You've now gone through the basic troubleshooting steps to fix the Cyberghost VPN app when it's not functioning correctly. Remember, this method can often solve connection issues quickly, allowing you to continue enjoying the internet securely and privately. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.